ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। काश्यपान्वय संजातं नारायणपदाश्रितं श्रीमन्नारायणं वन्दे यतीश्वरश्रयाजुषम्। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमः परमऋषिभ्यो नमः परमऋषिभ्यः। ओम नमः परमऋषिभ्यो नमः परमऋषिभ्यः। ओम पूर्णमिदं पूर्णमदः पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ ईशावास्यमिदगुं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनम्। ॐ अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।
Jai Srimanarayana, thanks for me. So, Jai Srimanarayana, my name is Venkat Guttiparthi. I'm Jet Charlotte Prajna coordinator, and with Mangala Shasnams from our Acharya, His Holiness Chinnajir Swamiji, both myself on behalf of Jet Charlotte and Srimati Lakshmi Samudralagaru on behalf of Jet Austin. We welcome all of you to this information session on Sri Ramanuja Sahasrabdi Samaroham, which will be celebrated this February from 2nd to 14th in Hyderabad. So, as part of the celebrations, the Statue of Equality, which is a 216-foot tall sitting statue of Sri Ramanuja and a golden deity of Ramanuja, will be dedicated to the world by the President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovindji, and Prime Minister Sri Modi ji. So, if you think about it, the President and Prime Minister of the country are feeling it an honor to be part of these celebrations, right? So, I believe it is because equality is as important today as it was 1,000 years ago, and Sri Ramanuja is an icon of equality. So, basically, this it gives rise to two questions. First is why a guru who lived 1,000 years ago is being celebrated as an icon of equality today. And secondly, what are all the celebrations that will happen during these 2 weeks in February? So in other words, what is the significance of these Vedic rituals that will happen there? So this is what the information session here is about. So for benefit of all of us, so we requested Sriman Yugandhar Swamiji to enlighten us with answers to these two questions and any other important information that Swami can provide. So Swami is not new to most of us. Actually, most of us are very familiar with Sriman Yugandhar Swami. So Yugandhar Swami is a very highly regarded scholar of Agama Shastras and taught many others who became priests themselves. And there are many of his students all over USA in temples. And so his Swami is one of the top dedicated disciples of our Acharya, Chinnajir Swamiji. Actually, Yugandhar Swami inspires all of us, many people across USA, to practice the Vedic lifestyle. Travels, Yugandhar Swami travels tirelessly to various cities across USA, and actually Yugandhar Swami visited Charlotte many times for Bodha Kalyanam, Sita Rama Kalyanam, etc. And it is amazing to see his commitment and dedication when he's with us, very little regard for any basic needs. So it's all probably the inspiration of his Acharya, Jagadacharya, Chinnajir Swamiji. So, and so request, so Lakshmiji, do you want to add any few words before even the Swami takes over?
Jai Srimanarayana, I just wanted to add that here we are representing Jet Austin. So a lot of Prajna, VT Seva and Raganjali members are here assembled, and a lot of Raganjali students are not new to Ramanuja Sahasrabdi per se, but they have not been with us throughout the journey since 2016. So I thought talk like this really benefit them to bring up to speed. And I really appreciate Yugandhar Swamiji speaking to us. And that's all. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Andy. Yugandhar Swamiji, please take it away.
जय श्रीमन्नारायण. काश्यपान्वय संजातं नारायण पदाश्रितं श्रीमन्नारायणं वन्दे यतीश्वर श्रियाजुषम्. ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः. I am fortunate to be part of this historical event, inviting all of you to join us in celebrating the inauguration ceremony of Statue of Equality with the blessings of His Holiness Sri 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 Tridandi Srimannarayana Ramanuja Chijir Swamiji. This earth is going to be decorated with unique ornament called Statue of Equality. When when a lady attends the function, she is going to decorate with a new saree and ornaments. It will be nice to see, right? Especially if mom appears in that beautiful form, we enjoy a lot. So, Mother Earth is going to be decorated with a unique ornament, which is going to shine her more and more. That is a Statue of Equality. 216 feet height, sitting statue made with Panchalohas is going to be inaugurated by Bharat Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on February 5th. And Rashtrapati, President of India, is going to inaugurate Ramanuja Golden Murti, 120 kg Golden Murti for Nityarchana on February 13th. It's a proud moment to all the people who think they belongs to Vedic culture. Not only that, whoever wanted to stand for equality, it's a proud moment to all of them to come together in joining their hand in celebrating this event. From last about 4 to 5 years, we all are eagerly waiting for this moment. It's a dream project. We all are like really thinking, how is it possible? How beautiful it is. 108 temples around the statue. Darshanam of them. Like when we go to India, we visit 1 or 2 holy places. We cannot go to all the temples, visit them. But here in one place, replicas of 108 temples, which praised by great souls called Aldvars, who deeply immersed in the Kalyana Gunas of Paramatma. Without their effort, Paramatma only chose them, gave them his Anubhavam. Out of joy, they started singing the glory of Paramatma. 106 temples are there on this earth, beginning from Srirangam, Tirupati, Kanchipuram, Puri, Gaya, Badari, Brindavan, Madhura, Dwaraka, kind of holy Mahavishnu temples. And 107 Milky Palakadali, Parkadal, and 108 Paramapadam, which we cannot see on this earth. So those are going to be appear around the Statue of Equality. We are saying Ramanuja Murti, Statue of Equality. What is the relation? How Ramanujacharya becomes icon of statue equality? So if you go to the history, it's this project is happening with the blessings of His Holiness Sri Chinnajiva Swamiji as a part of millennium celebrations of Bhagavad Ramanuja, great Acharya who belongs to Bharat, Vedic culture, who established Visishtadvaita Siddhanta, Darshana Sthapaka, Bhagavad Ramanujacharya. Vedam is the one, Vedayati, which describes about this vast universe and the root cause of this whole universe and all of us, relation with that Supreme. Based on the Vedic hymns only, this whole creation created and running. So Vedic hymns are apaurushayas, not created by, written by someone. Those are like the sound of ocean, natural. Based on those, that Vedic knowledge only, this whole universe created. So Vedas are going to describe about the reality. Bhagavad Ramanuja, who went through that Vedic knowledge, whatever the darshanam is describing in the Upanishads, he gave to the masses. In olden days, there was a rule, one guru should teach this secret to one disciple only in his life. Puran variyai upadeshittar munnor. Only one guru should say to one disciple. But Bhagavad Ramanuja, he changed that system. Vedic, whatever useful thing, it should reach to all. It should be available to all, to the interested. We should not discriminate people based on the age, lineage, language, gender, where they born. These kind of things are, we should not raise those, because everyone is equal in front of God. So there was one incident happened in Bhagavad Ramanuja's history, which tells the wide vision of Ramanuja, great compassion towards the world. Bhagavad Ramanuja, he was sannyasi at the time. He went near a great guru, Goshti Purna, to get mantrartha. He went 17 times, because in olden days, even though he was saint, still they used to check whether the eager of student before giving mantra. So Goshti Purna sent him again and again to come back. So Ramanuja went several times. 18th time, after seeing Ramanuja's that kind of commitment, eager, with many conditions, Goshti Purna gave the mantrartha. Bhagavad Ramanuja, he accepted all those conditions. But after getting, he saw a lot of gathering nearby the temple. He climbed the Gopura, top of temple, invited all the people and gave that mantra. Immediately his guru came to know that. He ran towards Ramanuja, said, Ramanuja, what you promised me that you are going to follow the rules, but now you publicly announced you are not hooking to the promise. If you won't follow the promise near Guru, do you know what is the fruit of it? Ramanuja said, Narakam. So are you not afraid of Narakam? Ramanuja said, Guruji, you said, whoever get the mantra, they will be liberated from all sorts of suffers. When it's helping many, as a result, if I need to go to Naraka, I am ready to accept it. The vision of Ramanuja really surprised Acharya. Goshti Purna said, You are so great, greater than us. Emperumanare. So from that day onwards, it became Emperumanar Darshanam. What is that? Ramanuja said, Ashaidayorkellam Aryargal Kurum. Hey Acharyas, share this message to all the people whoever interested without looking at their just outside appearance, like which language, which thing like jati, kula, vayo, linga, bhedam. Don't see this discrimination. Share with all. So Bhagavad Ramanuja Darshanam, Sri Sampradaya, food is there. After puja, whoever participate, they all go and have prasadam, right? To eat prasada, what is the eligibility? Hunger. So anybody can eat. Same way, Ashai, eager, is the one which is going to give them eligibility. So Ramanuja said that. And he invited downtrodden to the temples. Ramanuja did many samskaras. Ramanujacharya Swami made all the temples as the place to protect our culture. Invited downtrodden to the temples. When disciples requested him to visit Lord of Seven Hills, Ramanujacharya Swami don't want to step on hills, which is the form of Adisesha. So out of respect, instead of stepping with a foot, he climbed on his knees. Today we are calling Mokala Parvatam. So that is the great devotion Bhagavad Ramanuja is having towards Perumal. That is and he gave Shankha Chakras to Lord of Seven Hills, Acharya to Lord. So that great Acharya Bhagavad Ramanuja, who stood for equality, who worried for the world, who wanted to make everyone, who wanted to uplift everyone from the clutches of the mundane things. Ramanuja gave Narayana Ashtakshari mantra to all the people who were interested. So, as part of millennium, Chinajir Swamiji did a great sankalpa to bring this great monument to the world. Nowadays, people are having everything, but not having that vision, which makes them to understand this whole universe is the entire earth is one family. When you are able to see that level, you always help the people. If someone is not happy, you run to serve, help them. If someone is happy, you should be happy. That is the Vaishnava Tattvam. Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye Je Pid Parai Jane Re. When you are able to respond for others' pain, then only you are called Vaishnava. Paradukhe upakar kare to ye man abhiman na re. Vaishnava Janat. Someone is suffering. You have to run to help him to come out from the problem. And people see many, like if you turn on the TV, in some channel, you see people suffer. And what do? I'm unable to see that. That's why I'm switching to another one. So you should not be like that. You have to stand for them, help them to come out from that. So that is paradukhe upakaru karetoye. After doing upakaram, we expect recognition. People should appreciate me because I'm helping many. So that kind of expectation also you don't have. Even you don't think in his mind that I did a lot because of me, something happened. So that kind of that state of mind is Vaishnava. Bhagavad Ramanujacharya Swami, if you go through the history of Ramanujacharya Swami, many feeded the poisonous things to do harm to Ramanuja. But Ramanuja never stopped doing samskara to the society. So great Acharya, Bhagavad Ramanuja, who stood for equality 1000 years ago. It's a proud moment to all of us to tell the world that, yes, great social reformer. It's Ramanujacharya Swami, and I belongs to that great culture. Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, like kind of social reformers are there in the recent history. But in the Bharat, 1000 years ago, great Acharya came forward. So we have to tell about the uniqueness of this life, value of this human life. We have to inculcate human values to the society. Like if you have antivirus in the system, it's going to take care of all files. Without that, the system will be in the trouble. Same way, yes, we have to have motivational centers, humanity towers, kind of statue of equality, which is going to tell the value of this life. This life is so great. Scriptures are saying, so bench car is so great, valuable, but you should know how to drive it. You should know how to know the system, how to operate it. So having vehicle is one greatness. Knowing the value of it and driving well and reaching the destination is also very, very important. So luckily we all became human, we got human life, and Acharya is the one who is going to tell the value of this. So it's a 2,000 crore project. Do we need to spend that much money to bring this project? Yes. Like entertainment part we see, like some games, like one-day matches, or those kind of things. They create a nice environment, a lot of lighting, cameras, those things. Because quality, when there is quality, then only people pay attention. So just for one day, they are spending a lot of money, and finally, nobody is going to look at that ball, where it is going next day. So what about this project, which is going to guide the generations? This is the culture of you. This is the way you should lead your life. Your life is so great. And so these are the things one should tell. I may like guide for like maybe one generation. What about 10th generation? If I put some fixed deposit for my son, it may reach him, maybe grandson. What about 10th, 20th generation? Yes, we are so fortunate that great the Samata Murti Spurti Kendram is there, which is going to share that the values of human life to all corners of the world. Ramanujarya Divyagnya Vardhatam Abhivardhatam. Every day we say Ramanujacharya Swami Divyagnya has to the Vardhatam Abhivardhatam. Why? Sahilo Diganta Vyapini Bhuyat. It should reach all the corners of the world. Why? Sahi Loka Hitaishani. It's going to help the mankind. People are like a lot of Ugra Bhavas are coming. Innocent people are struggling to survive with just basic needs also not having. Evil is ruling the world. Many people are innocent people are suffering not because of there is no resources to live on this earth happily, because of possessiveness. Like few countries, we are seeing recent history also. Many countries are suffering. Many like innocent people are suffering because of lack of buddhi. So vehicle should be great, and a driver should be in a pleasant mode. Then only he can drive well. Same way, sattva gunam should drive us. Our senses are wheels. Our manas is like steering. Our buddhi is the one who is going to help us. Brake, accelerator, we switch in between, right? So how to hold the steering, how to drive that is very, very important. So buddhi should be with sattva guna. For that, we need to do the upasanam of sattva people. And we need to listen to the words of great souls like Bhagavad Ramanujacharya. And we have to implement that ideology so that we can beautify our life, we can help the society. So this project came for that reason. Big Murti of Ramanuja. Like when people say that, they ask, hey, who is this one? Yavara Murti, they question. Yetti Spurti, what is the spirit? Motivation we get from him. Ema Deepti, what is that glow? Yantati Ghanakirti, what is the fame he achieved? Ramanujamurti, Samata Katade Spurti, Pragnadipti, Pudami Pogadu Kirti. How it's going to help the project to the future generations. Artulatapamunarpunadi, Chinta Jaladhi Datinsunadi, Shokamu Mohamu Bapunadi, Sandehamulanu Dirtsunadi, Manasuku Shantini Gurtsunadi, Atmojjivana Hetu Vidhi, Manushula Madhyanu Samatanu Mamatanu, Nissandehamuga Vona Gurtsunadi. Samata Murti Kendramidi, Ramanuja Spurti Kendramidi. Samata Murti Kendramidi, Ramanuja Spurti Kendramidi. Durmata Mulakunu Koduvalidi, Dushkruti Tarana Sadhanamu idi, Dainyatanu Pogottunadi, Divyatva Mosagu Saudhamidi, Shamadama Sikshana Kendramidi, Sadhu Janulakashrayamuyidi. Bhavitaralahu Bangarubatanu, Nikkamuga Chupe Diksuchidi. It's going to guide the generations into great path. And how it's going to be inaugurated. And from February 2nd to 14th, we are having 1035 Homakunda Yajna, where more than 5,000 priests participated to conduct that. And to do yajna, like Agama Shastra describes about yajnas, and this is the highly respected yajna, by doing which the entire nature is going to become sattvic, and it's going to bring fortune to the people. Yajna. But when you do yajna, you should check mantra dravya vishuddho yagaha. To do yajna, we have to chant mantra well, and we have to offer the things should be very pure. So that's why His Holiness is collecting ghee, 2 lakhs kg ghee, to do this yajna directly from Goshalas. As in olden days, we collect the ghee, not artificial things. The cow, sattvic cow with Mupuram, that ఉంటుంది కదా. So that cow should give milk. We have to make curd, churn, and from that butter we have to make ghee. So that kind of ghee should be used in the yajna, and His Holiness is bringing those kind of that kind of the highest quality dravyas, including ghee, to do this yajna. More than 5,000 priests are joining in doing this yajna. 145 yagashalas, 1035 homakundas. and 12 days yajna. Many devotees, every day lakhs of devotees come to participate in this yajna, and they are going to be received very well with food, like what do we say? Bhagavata Tadiya Aradhana. As we do yajna, we receive the devotees also with same respect. So yajna is going on. This is the unique yajna, unique event which we cannot see in the life. This is so unique. So we should be part of it. On Tirumala Hills in 1980s, Pedajir Swamiji did yajna, 1000 Kunda yajna. And in 1994, His Holiness Sri Chinajira Swamiji conducted 1000 Kunda Yaga, where Adiyan also got opportunity to be one of the priests. And as part of Bhagavad Ramanuja the Sahasrabdi Samaroham event, 1035 Homakunda Yaga, Lakshmi Narayana Mahakratu is happening, where 12 varieties of yajnas also included. Ishti, to fulfill one person's wish, we do one yajna, that is called Ishti. So 12 varieties of Ishtis are there as part of this yajna. You can go to website to get all the details how to be part of this yajna. And you can sponsor one Homakunda or 12 days yajnas. Also, you can sponsor all. Beginning from 1 kg ghee, you can donate that ghee or do Bhagavata Tadiya Aradhanam. So many opportunities are there to be part of this historical event. One more thing is great, rare opportunities we have to utilize. Ramachandra built a bridge. Squirrel got opportunity to drop some sand and it's utilized. Rama appreciated, felt so happy with the intention of squirrel. God never look at the quantity of object, intention of person they see. Patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam. Whether it's a leaf, fruit, flower, water, whatever available to you, submit at the lotus feet of Lord. But there is condition. Yo me bhaktya prayachati. With devotion. If you offer something with devotion, Lord will be so happy. So Ramachandra felt so happy. So here from Austin and Charlotte, many singers are there who always do utilize their ability in singing the glory of Bhagavad Ramanuja. We conducted 1000 Gala, Sahasra Gala Archanam, Raganjali in Dallas. So you all participated in that. So that's why I'm singing for you. Ramadasa says, yes, that squirrel is the inspiration for me. Rama, Iravuga Isukalona Poralina Uduta Bhaktiki Karuninchi Brochitivani Neranammitini Tandri Paluke Bangaramayana. Rama, I believed in you because you showered your grace on that small squirrel which joined in building the bridge. So Rama's anugraham fallen on the squirrel, the finger, the charalu of Ramachandra fallen on the back of squirrel, not only to the squirrel, the generations of squirrels also blessed with the participation of that squirrel. Same way, if we join in this project, the anugraham of Paramatma will fall not only on us, it will fall on all of us, to the generations. So if someone is not going to join in this, and the future generations will really disappoint with that guy. Hey, you are there at that time and Swamiji gave this great monument to the world. What happened to you? Why you didn't join? So that kind of things we should face. So don't give that chance to the future generations. Everyone should be part of this project. Be volunteer, share. Hanuma, Vacha Dharma Mavapnuhi. Sitama requested him, come on, Hanuma, please just request Paramatma on behalf of me, so that Ramachandra will listen. Same way, I request all of you to share this message to all your friends. Invite them proudly to be part of this historical event. And we should get the Anugraham of Paramatma as that squirrel god. And every year, Thanksgiving comes. If you go there and get unique products, 2 products are there, you got one, and the second one you hold it, and many people are waiting in the queue. What do? You call your close friend and say, come on, this is the rarest opportunity. Come on, you should take it. Otherwise, you are going to miss it. So every year comes, the Thanksgiving, every year comes. If you miss that, next year you can buy. But if you miss this yajna, if you want to join in this yajna, you are going to miss a lot. Who is going to conduct these kind of yajnas? So don't miss the opportunity. Don't give chance to others to miss the opportunity. Tell them use all the opportunities are like Facebook, WhatsApp, many things are there for us. But at Ramadasa's time, they don't have all these. But Ramadasa said, Rama, I spread your glory. How? Danda ninadambula janda muninda matta vedanda munikki chatedanuni mahima. Dasharathi karunapayonidhi. Oh Rama, a compassionate cloud, I share your glory to the all corners of the world by sitting on big elephant, making drum sound, taking the attention of all the public and share the joy. So this is the way Ramadasa said. Now what do we have to say? Ramanuja. See, if you want to please Hanuma, you have to chant Ramanama. If you want to please Lord of Seven Hills, you have to chant Ramanujanama, because Ramanuja is the beloved of Venkateshwar Swami, great Guru. Venkateshwar Swami is having lot of respects towards Ramanuja. Ramanujarya Divyagnya Vardhatam, this word, Lord of Seven Hills, he started singing the glory of Ramanuja, and he said, yes, his the vision, the Anugraham, Ramanujarya Agnya should reach all corners of the world. This is the wish of Venkateshwar Swami. So let us join in singing the glory of Ramanuja, sharing this thing to all, because one should not eat sweet alone. Ekaha swadu na bhunjita. One should not eat sweet alone. And there is no sweetest thing than this in our life. So share with all. Ramadasa said, I will climb on big elephant and take the attention of devotees by like making drum, the sound, danda sound. Same way we should say, Ramanuja, we are going to share this great news to the world using Facebook, WhatsApp. I call all my friends. As Goda Devi, see, now we are doing Dhanurmasa. Today is 20th day. Last from 5th, 6th Pashura to 15th Pashura, what Andalmasa did? She woke up all the Gopikas. And there were 5 lakhs Gopikas. Only 10 Gopikas she missed. And she got appointment from Krishna. But she can ignore 10 and go along with others. Because just 10 people out of 5 lakhs, nothing. But she don't do that. She wants to go with all. She don't want to miss anyone in enjoying the bliss of Paramatma. That is the great thing Andalma is telling. And that is the great thing Ramanuja did. His Holiness Richanajir Swami is doing. So when you share the joy, joy doubles. When you share the pain, it reduces. So let us join in spreading the message. Invite all your friends, beloved, in taking part of this historical event, Statue of Equality. If you go to Disney World, you get entertainment. If you go to this divine world, you get enlightenment. And Swamiji is using high technology for the keeping in the mind about future generations. If like 108 temples are there, and what is the temple, what is the name of that Lord, and what is the message, how many devotees sang about the glory of Lord. If they wanted to know, self-guide is going to guide them, and they can switch to interested language and get all the information. And then also with high technology, with a more quality way, Swamiji wanted to give this opportunity. 2-3 years ago, 2 years ago, when we shared the message, like devotees can drop some gold in making Ramanuja Tirumeni. So many devotees utilize the opportunity. And if someone comes, I wanted to add 1 kg gold, they won't do, they cannot do, because Ramanuja Murthy is ready. So unique opportunities, golden opportunities won't come again and again. So at that time, fortunate souls got opportunity to give their gold to make the golden Murti of Ramanuja. And this time, again, unique opportunity. After February 14th, we won't get this opportunity. February, ghee kainkari, Annadanam, ghee kainkari, Vastradhanam, many are there. And this kind of yajna, maybe Naimisharanya, sages gathered, they did yajna, these kind of things we say, we talk about it, we listen. Once upon a time we say, because we want to become the part of that history. But this yajna, we can be part of history. It's happening in front of our eyes. So don't miss the opportunity. So that is the main thing. And if you have any doubts, you can ask us. You can go to website jetusa.org to get more details about yajna, ghee kainkaryam, vastra kainkaryam, annadana kainkaryam. Many are there. Go puja is there. So, and our Austin Raganjali devotees, they always spend a lot of time in learning, singing the glory of Acharya Perumal, Venkateshwara Swami and Bhagavad Ramanuja. And our Charlotte devotees, Venkat Garu, Anil Garu. So they conduct Goda Kalyanam, many events along with regular Prajna classes, and Kovalatam kind of unique skills they have. So what we have to, our Lakshmi Samudrala Garu asked me, Venkat Garu, Anil Garu, they asked me to just join and share the joy, how it's going to happen, yajna, how to join in the yajnani. So tomorrow I am leaving to India, Bharat, to have the darshanam and be there for 3 months at Acharya Sannidhi to participate in this Mahayajna. So I wish everyone, I wanted to see, we wish to see all of you to be there, and invite all your beloved to be part of this historical, unique event where you get Acharya Perumal Anugrah. Jai Shriman Narayan.
Thanks, Swami, for everybody. Are you able to hear me?
Jai Shriman Narayan.
Am I audible? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Venkaji, you're audible.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah. So, are you able to see the screen where I'm showing the Jet USA page?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the pages where you can go to get more information, everything available here. So, yeah, one of the aspects which Swami was touching, the 1035 Punda, Sri Lakshmi Narayana Kratu. So, at the outset, it looks like it's very specifically obtained ghee in a very specific location, and it's all costing more. That we may think like that, but so Swami can clarify more, but it's probably the authentic way that scriptures have ordained that the kratus have to be done that way. So when it comes to, with my little knowledge, what I have seen, that our Acharya Chinnajiya Swamiji, when they do these activities, which we as common people, we don't know much of the shastras, but when they perform, it is guaranteed that it is according to the scriptures. So that's, I came across this one small sloka from Bhagavad Gita, Devasara Sampad Vibhava Yoga. Tasmat Shastra Pramanante Karya Karya Vyavasthitau Jnatva Shastra Vidhanoktum Karma Kartu Miharhasi. So that's the sloka. What I read, the meaning is that so whenever you do an activity, you do it according to the scriptures, whatever is authentic. If you do something, do it according to the scripture, authentic fashion. And probably we are better off doing and not doing that way if we are not following the scripture. Maybe Swami can elaborate a little bit on that.
Yajna, Agama Shastra describes how to do yajnas, because of yajna mein moolam, so for this whole creation. So Paramatma also mentioned about yajna dana tapah karma natyajyam karyameva tat. Yajno danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishina. So it's going to purify. Yajna is going to purify us. So yajnas are, varieties of yajnas are there. Among them, this Sahasra Kundatmaka Yaga is mentioned in Agama Shastras, by doing which we are going to, the nature is going to be purified. So the people are suffering with three reasons. One, Adhyatmika, Adhidevika, Adhibhautika tapas. Physically suffer natural calamities, Manasika tapas. So three types of suffer people are getting, especially corona kind of things. And from last 2 years, people are suffering with many restricted life. So yajnas are going to create the please natural resources, devatas, devata shaktis, and it's going to give purity, filter the weather. It's going to give adhyatmika, bhautika phalas. ఎలాగంటే మనం యజ్ఞం చేస్తే యజ్ఞము నుంచి ఉద్భవించినటువంటి ఆ ధూమం వేదమంత్ర ఉచ్చారణ. సో హియర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చాంట్ ఋగ్వేద, యజుర్వేద, సామవేద, అథర్వవేద, రామాయణ, భారత, భాగవతాది, ఇతిహాస, పురాణ, స్తోత్ర, దివ్య ప్రబంధ, ఆల్ వేదిక్ హైమ్స్. సో like those hymns are having like high power. So our mantra, while doing that mantra ucharana, we have to offer ghee in the homakunda, and that shabda shakti creates power. Like, see, if you listen to the music, whether you know the notation of it or not, whether you know how many instruments are used, which raga it is, without knowing that also you are having some kind of feel. It gives you some positive energy if you listen to some nice music. And whether you know the ingredients of Thailnal or not, if you swallow that, the benefit of it you are getting. So Vedic hymns are like the build with like some sattvic power. So the people who knows it, the scholars who knows it, they utter in a proper way. That creates some positive energy, which saves the world, which fulfills all our wishes. So there are yajnas conducted by sages. They experienced, and they gave us through these agamadi granthas, smurtis, all these came. So based on the smurti, based on the agama granthas, Acharya is conducting this yajna, which is really going to help the mankind, especially at this tough time.
Thanks, Swami, for clarifying that. Does anybody have any questions?
Yes, ma'am, Venkatji. Actually, I just posted a link on chat. So this is if you're from Charlotte area, if any devotees joined from Charlotte, please click on this link if you want to sponsor for any Kainkariam. As you know, Jet Charlotte pledged to sponsor Annadanam or Tadiyaradhan for one day in this historic event. As you know, we are expecting to have at least 1 lakh to 3 lakh devotees every day witnessing this event for 12 days in February. It's going to be a very historical moment. It's once a lifetime opportunity. So you're welcome to sponsor. I just pasted the link. Please, if you are from Austin, you can follow the other link I'm going to share. So each center has a target to reach. So you can sponsor in any format you like.
I wanted to join with both centers
Yes,
because it's an opportunity. Recently, we went to like free services in Kartika Masa, Margashira Masa in Dallas. Whenever we conclude the event, just we share this out of joy. And a tremendous response came. People immediately they took oath. What is it? Pledges. They pledged and immediately they joined. Like about 1,500 to 2,000 kgs ghee came. Just last minute response of devotees. So many people are like whenever if you know about it, the value of it, automatically join your hand. Because it's a unique opportunity, you won't get a chance. So, yeah, so devotees from, they shared that link. You all can join in celebrating.
There are many levels, whatever level they are comfortable with. As Swami was saying, it's like a squirrel helping while Sri Rama was building the bridge in way of help.
Actually, squirrel got help from Ramachandra. Yeah, who is going to promote squirrel? ఇప్పుడు కూడా స్క్విరల్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం. సో అదే రాముడి ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఉండబట్టే ఆ స్క్విరల్ ని ఇప్పుడు మనం అనుకుంటున్నాం. లేకపోతే ఎన్నో స్క్విరల్స్ పుట్టే ఎన్నో పోయాయి కాలగర్భంలో. గుర్తించబడేటువంటి పేరుగా స్క్విరల్ మారిపోయిందంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే తాను పాల్గొన్న ప్రాజెక్టు గొప్పది. సో ఇప్పుడు పాట పాడిన వాళ్ళ పాటల్లో నిలవదు, అది భగవంతుడి మీద అయితే నిలుస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన అవికారుడైన పరమాత్మ విషయంలో పాడిన పాటకు అవికారత్వం ఏర్పడుతుంది. వికారమైన వ్యక్తుల మీద పాడిన పాటకు ఆ వ్యక్తి పోతాడు, ఈ పాట కూడా కొన్నాళ్ళకు జీర్ణం అయిపోతుంది. సో మనం నా ఒంటి మీద వేసుకుంటే బంగారం, ఇది వికారమైన శరీరం కదా, కొన్నాళ్ళకు పోతుంది, ఇది పోతుంది, అది పోతుంది. అది అవికారమైన తత్వంలో చేరింది అనుకోండి, అది పెరుమాళ్ళ తిరుమేనిగా, రామ ఆచార్య తిరుమేనిగా వెళ్ళింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు దానికి విలువ ఉంటుంది. సో మన గృహస్థుకు కొన్ని ధర్మాలు చెప్పారు. ఏమనంటే మనం సంపాదించిన సంపాదనను, ఐ థింక్ బిజినెస్ లైక్ you all know it, right? You don't keep entire money earning in one place. You keep some money for daily use, some part of it for business, some part of it for shares, some part of it for family, some part. So this is the way you share. You don't keep in one place. Same way, Shastra is saying, yes, whatever dharmic arjana you are doing, you should keep part of it for dharmika karyas. We are earning money, like increasing property. All this is going to take care of the body level only. Body is like iPad case. Me, the soul, is iPad. I should have protection on both. I have iPad protection, I have iPad case protection, but not having any protection to iPad, then there will be a problem, right? tomorrow I'm flying. So if I take laptop and a case on that, and if I don't have place, what I do? I take out that box, throw away, and keep iPad with me. So comparatively, iPad is valuable than iPad case. Same way, comparatively, soul is more valuable than the body, because I am being in this body from last 42 years. I may live again 40 more years. Later, I have to leave the body. So when I leave the body, how can I take this ring? Finger itself not coming with me. How can I take the ring? So I should have idea about the nature of nature, and I should have idea about the soul and supreme soul, a relation with that. Guru is the one who tells the value of this iPad and iPad case. Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogam. So whoever knows the value of this life, they give importance to both Shariramu and Atma. So Guru is the one who uplifts the soul, Atmo Jivanam. Parents, they give life to this body and they feed and make me big. Manavakrutini manakichinadi amma nanna. Mom and dad both are going to give, they gave this life, and because of them, I have this senses great thing. But I don't know the greatness of this until I reach Guru. Ee janma kumari viluva cheppinadi guruvenanna. So Guru is the one who told the uniqueness of this life and who guided me to achieve the higher goal. Ni guruvunu talachumu నిండు మనసుతో వందనమిడుము వందే గురు పరంపర. మనం చక్కగా మనసారా పాల్గొనాల్సింది త్రికరణ శుద్ధిగా. నా అదృష్టం తండ్రి రామానుజ చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామి కాలంలో పుట్టాను. వారు ఇంత గొప్పనైన ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనే శక్తి, పాల్గొనేటువంటి అవకాశం నాకు లభించడం నా పూర్వజన్మ సుకృతమని సగర్వంగా సంతోషంగా అందరం పాల్గొనాలి. ఇది it's not easy thing. We are so fortunate souls. That's why we are being part of this historical event. So don't hesitate. Just be part of it. Be volunteer. Contribute something. Invite your friends. Whatever you do, it's going to save you. ఇందులో మీరు ఏమి చేసినా ₹1 పెట్టారంటే అది 100 రూపాయలే మీకు వస్తుంది. ఆవా వెన్రారా ఇందరుల్. కృష్ణుడి కోసమని ఒక అడుగు మనం వేస్తేట నా కోసం ఇంత కష్టపడ్డావా అని భగవంతుడు మనని పిలిచి మన యోగక్షేమాలు చూస్తాడని శాస్త్రం. అండాడు తల్లి చెప్పిన మాట. ఎందరో మహాత్ములైన ఆచార్యులు వాళ్ళ జీవితాన్ని అర్పణ చేశారు. వాళ్ళ సమయాన్నంతా సమాజ సేవ కోసం అర్పించారు. చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామిని మనం చూస్తున్నాం. భగవద్ రామానుజుల చరిత్ర చూస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. వాల్మీకి మొదలైన మహాత్ములను చూస్తున్నాం. సమాజ హితం కోసమని ఏదైనా చేయడానికి వాళ్ళు ముందుకొచ్చారు. అలాంటి వాళ్లకు ఇంత గొప్ప కార్యక్రమం చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామి చేస్తుంటే క్లాప్ చేయడానికి మనం ముందు రావద్దు. there are 2 options. ఒకటి డూ గ్రేట్ థింగ్ ఆర్ క్లాప్ ఫర్ గ్రేట్ థింగ్. సో చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామి ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో అని ఒక మాట మనం అందరికీ చెప్పడానికి సగర్వంగా రావాలి. లేకపోతే నాలుక ఉన్నందుకు ప్రయోజనం ఏంటి, చెవులు ఉన్నందుకు ప్రయోజనం ఏంటి, మనసు ఉన్నందుకు ప్రయోజనం ఏంటి, మనిషి ఉన్నందుకు ప్రయోజనం ఏంటి? గొప్పనైన ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో మనం పాల్గొనకుంటే చాలా నష్టపోయిన వాళ్ళు అవుతాం. సో మనం అలా కాకూడదు కనుక చక్కగా అందరూ ముందుకు రండి. రామానుజుల వారి యొక్క వైభవాన్ని, వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి యొక్క మహిమను, వేదాల యొక్క మహిమను, వెలలేని వేదములు అంటారు. వేదములకు వెలలేదట, వేల తల్లుల ప్రేమ ఉంటుందట వేదాలు. మన మానవ జన్మ కావలసినవన్నీ తెలిపేటువంటిది. ఈ విశ్వమంతా భగవత్ కుటుంబంగా గుర్తించగలిగినప్పుడు ఇందులో ద్వేషించేది లేదు. మనకంటే అంటే మనం లోకంలో అసహించుకునేది లేదు, ద్వేషించేది లేదు. ఈ జగత్తంతా పరమాత్మ యొక్క శరీరం అట. ఈ జగత్తును పరమాత్మ శరీరంగా ప్రేమించాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక వ్యక్తిని ప్రేమిస్తే ఆ వ్యక్తి శరీరాన్ని మనం ఆ నోటికి నీళ్ళు ఇస్తాం, కాళ్ళు కడుగుతాం, టవల్ తుడుచుకోండి అంటాం, ఫ్యాన్ వేస్తాం, భోజనం పెడతాం. సో ఇవన్నీ ఎవరికి ఇస్తున్నాం? నాలుకకు, కంటికి, చెవికి, పన్నికి, వీటికి కాదు కదా. ఈ నోరు కలిగిన వాడికి భోజనం, నోటికి కాదు. కాలు కలిగిన వాడిని సంతోషపెట్టడం కోసం కాళ్ళు కడుగుతున్నాం. అలా మెడ కలిగిన వాడిని సంతోషపెట్టడం కోసం మెడ మీద మాల వేస్తున్నాం. అంటే ఈ మెడ మీద మాల వేసేది మెడ కలిగిన వాడి ఆనందం కోసం. అట్లాగే ఈ జగత్తులోని అణువణువును, ఓ చెట్టుకు నీరు పోసినా, ఒక జంతువుకు భోజనం టేక్ కేర్ చేసిన, అతిథికి ఆదరణ చేసిన, వీళ్ళంతా భగవంతుడి యొక్క శరీరం అని చెప్పారు భగవద్ రామానుజుల వారు ఈ వేదం చెప్పిన విషయాన్ని. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం సమాజంలో ఏ పని చేసినా చేస్తున్న ప్రతిదీ మాధవ సేవ, సకల ప్రాణి సేవ చేయండి మాధవ సేవగా అని ఆ విషయాన్ని మన చిన్నజీర వారు మళ్ళీ నొక్కి ఒక్కాణించారు. ఇలా విశ్వమంతా పరమాత్మ యొక్క విభూతి అని, ఇది కల కాదు నిజమని ఈ యథార్థాన్ని గుర్తించి ఈ చిత్ అచిత్ ఈశ్వర తత్వాన్ని చెప్పారంటే శరీరము నేను, నాకు ఈ శరీరం ఇచ్చిన పరమాత్మ, ఈ శరీరం నాకు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఆ పరమాత్మను పొందడానికి. సో దీని ఒక గొప్ప సాధనంగా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. పెన్ ఇచ్చారు నాన్నగారు గోడ మీద పిచ్చి గీతలు రాయడానికి కాదు. అలాగే భగవంతుడు నాకు కన్ను కాళ్ళు చెవి ఇచ్చారు, వీటితో మంచి పని చేస్తూ నేను ఉజ్జీవన పథం వైపు నడవాలని. జీవనము అంటే ఏదో పొట్ట పోసుకోవడం, ఏదో ఉద్యోగం చూసుకొని తినడం, తింటాం ఉంటాం, కొన్నాళ్ళయ్యాక అన్ని శరీరందులు విడిచిపెడుతున్నారు, మనం పెడతాం. అలా కాదు, ఈ జీవనంతో మన ఉజ్జీవన గది వైపు నడవాలి. ఈ విషయాన్ని మనకు ఆచార్యులే చెబుతారు. ఆచార్యులు ఆత్మరక్షణం చేస్తారు, మనమేం చేయాలి, ఆచార్యుల యొక్క దేహరక్షణం చేయాలని శాస్త్రం. సో అట్లా మనం భగవద్ రామానుజుల వారి యొక్క ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో అందరం భాగస్వామ్యమై మన తనువును, మన మనసును, మన ధనాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకున్నాం. ఈ మానవ జన్మ చాలా కొన్ని కోటాను కోట్ల శరీరాలు మనం క్రాస్ అయితే తప్ప దొరకదట. ఏదో అదృష్ట విశేషం చేత మానవులమయ్యాం. అందులో చిన్నజీయర్ స్వామి వారు ఉన్న కాలంలో పుట్టాం. అందులో వారు నిర్మిస్తున్న ఈ గొప్పనైన ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో దాని గురించి వింటూ దానిలో పాల్గొనే అదృష్టవంతులమై పుట్టాం. సో ఈచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ సో యూనిక్. లెట్ us utilize the opportunity. Be generous in joining your hand and bringing this project to the mankind. Jai Shriman.
Jai Shriman. Thank you, Swami. So, does anybody have any other questions? So, thank you, Swami, for sparing the time.
Comments?
So, yeah.
Any comment? Questions ante paapam levemo. How you are feeling after knowing this project? సినిమా చూస్తే రివ్యూస్ చెప్పేస్తారే, ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి రివ్యూస్ ఇవ్వరా? ఎలా అనుకుంటున్నారు మీరు? ఇలాంటి గొప్పనైన ఈ అద్భుతాన్ని చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అంత పెద్ద విగ్రహ నిర్మాణం, ఎంతో మంది పగలు రాత్రి అనకుండా కష్టపడుతున్నారంట. అక్కడ కంటిన్యూగా పని జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎంతో మంది డెడికేటెడ్ వాళ్ళ కైంకర్య పనులు, వాళ్ళకున్న శక్తి సామర్థ్యాలన్నీ కూడా ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో వినియోగిస్తున్నారు. మన కోసం కష్టపడుతున్నారు. చూడండి అంటే ఎవరికి మనకంటే ఎక్కువ లాభం. సో ఇట్స్ మోర్ బెనిఫిషియల్ టు మై చిల్డ్రన్ దాన్ మీ, అండ్ దేర్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ మోర్ బెనిఫిట్ దాన్ దెమ్. Light, the value of light increases when the darkness increases, right? So now I'm with a little light, and future generations will be in more ignorance, deviate by many things, worldly things, and that project is going to guide them, remind their uniqueness. So అందుకోసమని పగటి కంటే సాయంకాలం, సాయంకాలం కంటే రాత్రి, రాత్రి కంటే అర్ధరాత్రికి లైట్ కు విలువ ఎక్కువ. మనకంటే ఫ్యూచర్ జనరేషన్స్ కు, అంతకంటే ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్ జనరేషన్స్ కు గైడెన్స్ అవసరం అవుతుంది సమాజంలో. అకారణంగా యుద్ధాలు, అకారణంగా చిరాకులతో చిన్న చిన్న వాటికి సఫర్ అవుతూ లోకమంతా మనసును స్వాధీనంలో పెట్టుకోలేక అవస్థపడుతున్నారు. అలాంటి వాళ్లకు మనసును, ఇంద్రియాలను, బుద్ధిని స్వాధీనంలో పెట్టుకుని చక్కగా మానవ జన్మను ఉజ్జీవింపజేసుకునేటువంటి విధంగా ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తయారవుతుంది. సో తప్పకుండా మీరంతా జస్ట్ గో త్రూ దట్ updates of Statue of Equality, share with all.
చాలా గొప్ప సంకల్పం అని అనిపిస్తుంది. సాయిబాబా కూడా అప్పట్లో అందరినీ కలపడానికి ఎట్లా చేశారు, ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో ఓన్లీ హిందువులు, ముస్లింలనే కాకుండా హిందువుల్లోనే చాలా మందిని కలపాల్సిన పరిస్థితి ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఇది చాలా చాలా ఉపయోగకరమైన సంకల్పం.
చాలా సంతోషం అండి. సహృదయులు స్పందించాలి. అమ్మ వంట చేస్తే పిల్లవాడు బాగుంది అంటే ఇంకా సంతోషపడుతుంది అమ్మ, ఇంకా మంచి, ఇంకా రుచిగా చేస్తుంది కదా. అట్లాగే చిన్నజీర్చున్నారు సంకల్పించిన ఈ మహత్తరమైన దానిలో బాగుంది. మీ రెస్పాన్స్ బాగుంది, సంతోషం. నమస్కారం. ఇంకెవరైనా, ఎనీబడి ఎల్స్ వాంటెడ్ టు టాక్? సో ఆల్ బికమ్ గోపికా స్థితి. ఓమయో అందించేవిడు ఆనందలు. గోపికలు కృష్ణానుభవంలో ఉండి మాట పలకలేనంత ఉన్నత స్థితిలో ఉంటారట. సో ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విని అంత ఆశ్చర్యంగా ఆనందపడుతూ సంతోషం. బాగుంది.
మీరు చెప్తుంటే ఇంకా మాకు అంటే శంకులో పోస్తే తీర్థమైనట్టు మాకు ఉంటుంది స్వామి. అంటే మీరు చెప్పినంత ఇదిగా మేము అంటే చెప్తుంటే అనుభవించగలుగుతాం కానీ మాకు ఆ విధంగా సో nowhere near. So thanks for enlightening us, Swami. So thanks for inspiring us.
సంతోషం.
Yeah. So I think one my heartfelt comment is actually we hear from Ramanuja Swami Charitra that 1,000 years ago, Bhagavad Ramanuja had so many great disciples and so many Simhasanadipatis he started, and so the impact is felt even today because of the great Shikha Parampara. I mean, today we see Chinnaji Swamiji's Sishyas also, great disciples. And we are very fortunate to have you here in USA, Swami. Thanks for whenever we reach out to you for coming out to inspire us. Closer, geographically closer to us here. Thanks for sparing your time in spite of your travel tomorrow to India, Bharat.
This is like it's giving some more enthusiasm to me to enter into the divine world, and let us join directly or virtually in celebrating this. మన రాధా గారు, లక్ష్మీ సముద్రాల గారు, ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ టు టాక్? Okay.
I think we can conclude from it. So thanks for me, and so maybe concluding prayer.
Sure. Om Agnenayam Supataraye Asman Vishwani Deva Vajunani Vidvan Yoyodhyasmajjuhuranamenah Bhuyishtante Nama Uktim Vidhema. Om Purnamidam Purnamadah Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Visishtadvaita Siddhanta Pracharika Viharini Srimanarayanaacharya Swamini Nityamangalam Yavat Prapancha Sampujya Charanaya Mahatmane Srimanarayanaacharya Iti Rajaya Mangalam Mangalashasana Parairmadacharya Purogamaihi Sarvaischa Purvairacharyaih Satkrutāyastu Mangalam. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Jai Shrimanarayana.
Jai Shrimanarayana.